Stop the presses!
Oh, this, folks. This is what I've been talking about.
Oh, this is what I'm talking about.
Or this is what I'm trying to explain. The heel lock. The heel lock lace is super duper important, especially for the pilgrim. Mostly for the pilgrim. For the pilgrim. When going downhill, it locks your heel in place. Learn how to heel lock. This is especially important for pilgrims because, as most of us, I, like you, buy a couple sizes too big to allow for my feet to swell. I actually buy a size and a half larger. Some people buy a size larger. So your shoes are already a little roomy. Is that the word? Roomy. So, to bypass any problems, early morning problems, before your feet are swollen, well, they have the potential to slide around, especially going downhill. So if you experience any hills in the morning before your feet swell up, that's where this comes into play. Be sure to lock lace your shoes, and there'll be no problems. But to seal the deal, really, that there's no problems, combine that with Sock Stop. The silicone, that silicone glue I put on the bottom of my socks. Talked about this many times. Get that. If you invest in Sock Stop and a heel lock lacing method, your foot is not going to slide around there. The Sock Stop takes care of the bottom forces in your shoe, and the heel lock locks your foot in place. So your heel will be locked, I guaranteed, when you combine both Sock Stop and a heel lock lacing method. And back to you, Pastor Me.